everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you another possible way for you to come to Germany through this so-called FSJ. So in German, Freiwilliges Soziales Jahr. So this is a voluntary social year that could take from 6 months up to 18 months. So what is FSJ? So this is a voluntary service for young people. So if you are 18 to 26 years old, you are qualified for this voluntary social year. If you're above 26, don't worry, there is something like similar. This is so-called BFT or Bundesfreiwilligendienst. I'm going to share this topic in a separate video. So the requirements, guys, of FSJ is you must be at least 18 to 26 years old, language minimum A2, but some employer ask for B1, but you have to check the German embassy website wherever country you are. For example, I was checking the Manila German embassy website in Manila. It says there in the requirements under this visa is if you do not master the German language or do not provide proof of language proficiency, please enclose a confirmation from the place of assignment that language skills will be initially be waived. So means if the company is giving you a confirmation letter that your language is sufficient, it also fine, means you can also take that letter during your visa application. So what are the benefits, guys, of FSJ? So you have allowance between 400 to 600 euros. So they are also besides from your allowance, they are also giving you some subsidy of your food and transportation, and now the accommodation. So some of the company, they offered free accommodation, but some is not. So if they are not offering accommodation, the company is somehow giving you some compensation or subsidy for your accommodation as well. So you are also entitled to have Urlaub or holiday. So if you are working, if your contract is at least 1 year or 12 months, you will get a minimum at least 26 days annual leave. So you are also entitled to have health insurance. They will also contribute to your pension fund. You also have unemployment benefits and accident insurance. So who is FSJ suitable? So those people who are interested in social engagement. So those people who are seeking for career orientation or wanting to gain work experience in Germany. So if you're interested for the culture in Germany, if you're interested to come to Germany, this visa also might be for you. So the last, guys, but not the least, I'm sharing also, I was researching nowadays, you know, that you can apply jobs through online. So I was searching the companies which you might be able to find available place for you, and just check and go and explore the website and try to explore about the company. So if that is all about in German, guys, so I suggest that you can also try to translate this thing into dpl.com. So anyway, guys, that is for today, and I'm going to share another video, a separate video about the rest. So thank you for your time, and God bless.